has you being placed in Pakistan affected your personal as well as professional life?
Just so financially, it really takes a toll out of you. Living in Pakistan still is pretty cheap than living in Canada. So financially, yes. But why we moved to Canada was that I wanted my children to have a good education. I wanted them to have the exposure of those universities where usually people do not have the means and the income to go there and spend some of their educational life.
Right.
Initially, this was the idea, and then my daughter, who is doing her master's there, she then started liking it because of the circumstances that we have here.
Right.
But this is what I tell my children, that you see, whatever the circumstances there are, they will come to an end. It's our country always bounces back. It always bounces. It will. But still, let me tell you, the life we have here is very different than the life we have there, because we here are at a place where not many people can be in those countries.
मुझे लगता है जी कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो है वो भी आई थिंक जिनके पास है we need to stay here to create them for the others. I mean, I know a lot of my friends who have moved out and probably वो आसान तरीका भी लगता है, लेकिन वो एक एज तक लगता है. मतलब अब मैं वही बात है कि एज की बात कर रही हूँ तो फिर हंसने की आ रही है कि फिर आपको ही पता चल जाएगा सबको. बट at the same time, I feel that if we've achieved something, alhamdulillah, Allah ka shukr, we can create an environment where other people can still get opportunities, job opportunities. And with Thali, people are getting so much. मैं अब कल किसी से बात करी थी, in Sindh we've put up about 100 plus hand pumps in the last 4 or 5 months. Yes, so there's so much that we're doing, but that's also because of the help of our friends and family who have moved out of Pakistan, but they're still feeding the country somehow. So we can't forget that as well, right? Our opportunities and then the business we get and the donations and the funding we get, I think a lot of it comes from our country, but a lot of it also comes from people who are sitting outside who feel the same for Pakistan. I think that हमें opportunity यहाँ मिल गई है, किसी को नहीं मिली, और फिर भी इस मुल्क के साथ उतना ही प्यार करता है. So I think they also deserve due credit. And moving here or moving there, I mean, I think कि जब तक आप मुल्क के लिए कुछ कर रहे हैं, I think it's good enough.
So as far as personal life is concerned, मेरे ख्याल से सबसे बड़ा aspect जो है ना वो ये है कि once you move abroad, तो आपका एक complete, if not a complete, but a certain extent तक एक disconnect हो जाता है with your culture, with our religion. जहाँ तक professional life की बात है, I believe पाकिस्तान में जितना आप सीखते हैं ना in terms of people skills, जैसे challenges की बात हुई, but challenges you learn as well.
Yes.
तो जब सब स्मूथ सेलिंग होती है तो फिर उसमें लर्निंग इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं होती. चैलेंजेस अब आपके ये हैं, अच्छा जी लाइट नहीं है तो इंटरनेट नहीं है तो आपने डेटा से कनेक्ट कर लिया, वो वाईफाई नहीं चल रहा तो यू वर्क अराउंड थिंग्स. बेसिकली यू आर अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर. इस तरह नहीं होता आपके जी अच्छा जी ये प्रॉब्लम आ गया तो यू स्टॉप वर्किंग. And secondly, another thing that I've seen, especially with our current product or business, Brashna, तो उसमें तो I believe a major part of its success is because we've been able to find such a good team, such good resources here in Pakistan. So these are things that you learn here, and these are things that we need to capitalize on. हमारी जो workforce है, that's amazing.
Generally speaking, we are so impressed by developed and Western countries that we really undermine ourselves hugely, and we do not take into account the capabilities that we develop in living in and surviving in countries such as Pakistan. I think staying in Pakistan, as long as you can truly recognize yourself, and I felt that जो opportunities मुझे पाकिस्तान में मिली and जो recognition मुझे पाकिस्तान में मिली, I don't think I would have gotten it anywhere else in the world. So professionally speaking, I think I got all the opportunities that anyone would need. And secondly, personally, I think सबने यही कहा कि you know जो and I've lived 3 years and I know कि वहाँ ईद कितनी sorrowful होती है, छुट्टी नहीं होती है. छुट्टी अगर आप ले भी लें तो आपके सर्कल में बाकी हर किसी ने छुट्टी नहीं ली होगी. कुछ ईदों पे आप नमाज भी नहीं पढ़ने जाते हैं. And you really miss all of that to such an extent. And then we in Pakistan have extended families, बड़ी हमारी families होती हैं, और आपके जो बच्चे हैं वो the learning, because you see children learn a lot not just from तरबियत का जो contribution है वो सिर्फ parents का नहीं होता, grandparents का, cousins का, आपके जो खाला मामू and all of this, you know, so the kind. And so for instance, I'm a single mother and my son is now in his teens, and a lot of my very close cousins serve as a father figure and they mentor him. So you know, these kind of things fill in the gaps, you know, at a personal level that will never happen maybe somewhere जहाँ आपकी अगर ये सब नहीं है.
Beacon House Old Student Society, POS, building a community together.